Would you do this to a $1,000 leather sofa? Ouch! Of course not. But accidents do happen, and we can fix them like new with Perfect Match Leather, another great product from HSN Direct. It'll make that ruined sofa, this damaged briefcase, this torn leather jacket, all like new again. And it's so easy to do. Just fill in the sore spot with the high-tech urethane compound with perfectly matched color. Cover with the finishing patch and let dry. Remove and you have a perfect match that lasts forever. It's great for vinyl and naugahyde, too. Use it to fix that ugly crack on your dashboard. Just apply and let dry. It works every time. You get all the colors you need, along with an easy-to-follow mixing chart that shows you how to perfectly match any color. Even these ruined $90 pumps can be made like new. Just apply and let dry. $600 to replace this vinyl car top? No way. Just apply and let dry. $370 for a new car seat? Not a chance. Just apply and let dry. How about this expensive floor? Not a problem. Just apply and let dry. You never need heat or special tools. Just apply and let dry for a perfect match that lasts forever. You'd gladly pay $70, even $80 for this little miracle that can save you hundreds. But with HSN Direct, Perfect Match Leather is just $19.95. But it gets even better. Order now with your credit card and get Perfect Match fabric absolutely free. It works like a charm to repair tears and cigarette burns on any kind of fabric or upholstery to just like new. Use Perfect Match Leather for 30 days. If you're not 100% satisfied, return it for a refund. Either way, keep Perfect Match fabric as a free gift. Supplies are limited. Call now.
Call 1-800-453-1995 now to order Perfect Match Leather, or send $19.95 plus $3.95 delivery to P.O. Box 13501, Bridgeport, Connecticut.